GK Kids! One monkey falling on a tree, happy and playful, full of glee.
Two elephants stomping the ground, their big loud trumpets make a sound.
Three zebras running fast, striped and speedy, zooming past.
Four so strong, king of the jungle all day long. Five giraffe reaching high, eating leaves up to the sky.
Six penguins
Slide on ice, waddle wobble, oh so nice.
Seven turtles walking slow, where they're going we don't know.
Eight rabbits
Hop and play,
jumping happily all the day. Go ribbit, ribbit,
leaping's their favorite habit.
10 owls hoot in the night, eyes so big, shining bright. In the night, eyes so big, shining bright.
Eating camels in the sun, walking slowly one by one.
16 koalas climb the trees, nibbling leaves with so much ease.
17 cubs spread their tails, colors shining like fairy tales.
18 bears be sweet,
Buzzing bees they like to meet. 19 horses gallop fast, running freely, what a blast.
20 flamingos stand so tall, pretty pink birds, we love them all.
Oh, count the animals, 1 to 20. Learning is fun, we've got plenty. Sing and dance, jump with cheer. Let's count again, loud and clear. Six turtles walking slow, walking slow. One turtle walking slow, we don't know. 8 rabbit hop and play, jumping happily all the day.
Go ribbit, ribbit,
Leaping's their favorite habit.
10 owls hoot in the night, eyes so big, shining bright.
An Alvin parrot soft and loud, chattering up a noisy crowd. Oh,
10 owl hoot in the night, eyes so big, shining bright.
15 camels in the sun, walking slowly one by one.